All right, that brings us to Module 2, which is the week of February 24th through March 2nd. We go into the module and there are the objectives and what to do for this module right there, as well as the introduction. Your learning journal is up first. If you click on the learning journal, we are going to be reading Chapter 8. So as you're reading Chapter 8, respond to this reflection question. There is also a reflection on what are called the ISTE, the International Society for Technology and Education standards. One of the things you're going to do in this module is you're going to begin building your digital toolbox. So the first thing you would want to do is click on the ISTE standards. And this is an interactive web page. You can click on either the students or the educators. I found that it's helpful to click on educators since we are trying to embrace that. An email will download the standards, but you can also just scroll down here and click on these collapsible menus. Now feel free to explore the student, the educator, and there's also, as you may have noticed, for educational leaders, so therefore your administrators, they also have ISTE standards that they should at least have heard of, if not model for you. Once you're done that, you're going to build your digital toolbox. And so the easiest way to do this is to actually right-click on the link for the captured document and choose Save Link As, save it to your device, and then go ahead and edit with Microsoft Word. So what you're going to do here is you are going to open what I call the digital toolbox. It is a Microsoft Excel formatted spreadsheet. And in the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, there are several different tabs down here. There are a list of collaboration tools. There's a brief discussion about each. There's a quick, short YouTube video for each one. And then there's a link to the YouTube channel, which has lots of additional videos and information about the videos. What I would like you to do, because this can look overwhelming, I would like you to look through the list and select 3 or more from 2 or more of these categories, and then fill this out. What is the tool name? What are some key features that you have? How can you use it specifically for differentiating, for personalizing, and for blended learning, which we're going to get to in the next module? And some of the pros and cons that you might see with that particular tool. So in total, you're going to spend time looking through and learning about creating accounts, creating sample items in that tool to get to know it better. So that's why there's only 3. You are not filling out this entire sheet. It's just 3, but I do want from 2 different categories because then we're going to reflect on that later when we talk about our blended learning models. So then once you've done that, come on down here to the assignment. You're going to do another voice thread. But this time it's part of the assignment. So you'll click on the voice thread and it'll launch it in a new window as before, and you're going to respond and comment just like we did with our course introductions. However, for this particular assignment, what you're going to need to do is go to the top of the assignment, click on the link here, and then you're going to click on Create Submission. Just type something done. Just type something in this box and click Submit. Don't forget that up here you can also click on View Rubric and you can see the rubric for this voice thread submission that will be used to evaluate your submission. So that is Module 2. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and reach out.